guys, welcome back. For today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make the best restaurant style fried rice at home. This is quick, it's easy, and it's delicious. If you would like to see it, keep on watching and let's get started. Here are the ingredients. I have 2 cups of 1-day-old rice. Now, if you want to make this in the same day as you cook your rice, I have a recipe for that. Check the link down below. Here, I have my shrimp nice and clean and deveined. I have some minced garlic, dark soy sauce, minced ginger, sugar, salt. And here, I have 1 egg, my veggies, and I have onions as well. Now here I have olive oil, Creole seasoning, and some onion powder. Now first thing I'll be doing is season my shrimp. Okay, I want to give a little flavor to my shrimp, so I'm adding the Creole seasoning and the onion powder to it. Mix it together. Once I'm done, I am going to set that aside. Moving on to the egg, I am going to use a fork to whisk the egg, then set it aside. And of course, you can add more eggs if you like, maybe 2, but I decided to use 1 large egg. Now in this skillet here, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once that is nice and hot, we're going to scramble our egg. Once my egg is nice and cooked, I am going to remove it from the skillet so we don't overcook the egg and move on to the next step. To my skillet, I'm adding another tablespoon of olive oil on there. Once it's nice and hot, I am going to place my shrimp on there. Now to cook the shrimp, we're going to cook it from 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until one side is nice and pink. Just flip it over and cook the other side. Try your best not to overcook the shrimp because rubbery shrimp is really hard to eat, especially when you're chewing and chewing, you cannot swallow it. It's the worst. So try not to overcook the shrimp too much. Once I'm done, I am going to remove the shrimp, set it aside. And I want to ask you guys, if you're new here for the first time, if you just clicked on this video, I'm asking you, please take the time to subscribe. I do make awesome recipe here that you cannot miss. So be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell on so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now in the same skillet, I added about 2 more tablespoons of olive oil, then add my veggies to it. We're going to cook the veggies for, well, also the onion. We're going to cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the onion is nice and translucent. Then we can add the rest of the ingredients. Now it's the perfect time for me to add my minced garlic, and also my minced ginger. Now we're going to cook the garlic and the ginger until the garlic is giving you a golden brown color. Then you can add the rest of the ingredients. Now it's time for me to add my rice. Like I said, I'm using 1-day-old rice. If you want to make this recipe with the rice you cook on the same day, check out the description box for that recipe. I'll show you guys a trick on how to make it when you cook the rice the same day, basically. Now I'm adding in my soy sauce gradually until I have a nice color, like the color that I desire, basically. So I added 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Next I'm adding in the shrimp. As y'all can see, the shrimp is nicely cooked. When I tell you it's nicely cooked, honey, it's nicely cooked, and it has lots of flavor to it. Okay, so now I'm adding my egg right in there and mix everything together. To take the fried rice to a whole nother level, I am going to add a few pinches of sugar in there. Yes, you heard me. The sugar will give it a nice flavor, and that is basically the recipe. I also added some ground black pepper in there as well. And of course, if you want to add salt, you can go ahead. You won't need it. Just taste it before you add the salt. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the homemade fried rice. Tastes exactly like the restaurant, especially now you can't go to the restaurant to eat your fried rice, so you can make it at home. It's quick, it's easy, and it takes less than 30 minutes to make. Okay, if you already have the rice pre-made, homemade, 1-day-old rice, you can make this as soon as 30 minutes. It's done. It's ready for dinner. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. In my book, this fried rice is a winner. It's a must try. Let me know if you're going to recreate this recipe. Also, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe. Okay, subscribe, because you will enjoy every single videos that I drop. So you might as well just subscribe so you can be part of the team Island Vibe Squad. Okay, like the video for me, also share it with a friend. Let's get this video to 500 likes, can we? Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.